My name is Ken Johnston, and my high school experience was great, and I wouldn't have had mine go any other way. I went into high school with no plan for college, but things changed. I learned that the best plan for me is God's plan, and all I need to do is just trust Him to make the right decision, because He always does, without fail. The make life great again mentality I have is something I picked up from playing high school sports. This mindset really resonated with me and showed how useless complaining is and how constant pessimism only hinders you. And this is something that also laid the base and groundwork for my faith in God that I later got, and I'm glad I did. And this mentality is something I still live by and hope I always do, because it's a cold world out there and no one really cares, so just get over it and do your best. Control what you can control. I didn't have this knowledge going to high school, but I wish I did. Had my mind set on the wrong things and was motivated to only help myself, with no appreciation for life and for others. I played football and basketball for the school, and I was always wondering whether or not is something right for myself or not. I was never worried about other people. After an October football practice sophomore year, I gave my life to God and everything changed. This was the moment I was given a purpose, and my life took on a whole new meaning. It steered my heart in the right direction and made me into the person I will be forevermore. It's given me an appreciation for the gifts God has also given me. I am grateful for the peace God offers, His sacrifice on the cross for all of us, and also His gift to me of living at the same time as the Trump presidency and the Brian Kemp governorship. This event changed my ideologies and opinions on many different things. It turned me into a conservative and made me more interested in politics. But my faith keeps my politics in check and serves as a constant reminder that I must discuss and debate with love and aim for their hearts, not their minds, because if I speak without love, I will just sound like a clanging cymbal and not get anything done. I've always admired the patriotism of my family, and the military history there too. 4 of my grandparents served in World War II. One of those, whose name is Leslie too, was such a good bomber pilot that during the Cuban Missile Crisis, he was given the task of flying over Stalingrad, a Russian city, carrying a nuclear bomb, ready to blow the communists away if they ever overstepped and tried to take over America. His son's name was also Leslie, and he flew fighters for the U.S. Air Force for almost 20 years, and that's who my grandfather is. Now, I realize God's plan for me is to go to UGA on an Air Force ROTC scholarship, study meteorology. I'm beyond thankful for this opportunity, and I can't wait to see what God's plans for me are after that.